What's up, Pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday fun day if you're watching this on a Sunday when I upload it. But I wanted to do my Amazon favorites because I finally accumulated enough stuff where I would really repurchase these items and I stand by them and I've been using them non-stop. Now I have done already previous Amazon videos and I still use a ton of those items. I reorder a lot of stuff, so I'll go ahead and link those videos down below. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, become a part of the Pineapple tribe. My vlog channel is WhatWouldLizzyVlog, so now let's get into these Amazon favorites and also my big, huge freaking announcement. Okay guys, so 2 weeks ago we got some news, unfortunately, that my mother could possibly have a second form of cancer. She already beat breast cancer, and when we got this news, it was literally like a bomb in our face, like what is going on? It was really hard, and you guys know my mom is my number one. Like I try to do as much as I can for her. I'm like ride or die for her, and as much as I can do, I want to do it. And we just got some amazing news finally after doing the biopsy and all of that, and she is cancer-free, you guys, because the probability did seem high, and she is cancer-free. We're just so happy, and I just wanted just to say that because it just feels so good, because the last 2 weeks I've not been myself. It's like I've been here, but mentally I was not here. It was like I was faking the funk, like I was trying to act like I was okay, because you want to be strong for that person and you have to be there for them, and you can't look weak because they're the one who's going through it. And dude, it's like my mom, you know, so you guys know how close I am with her, and I'm just so grateful and just thankful, and I just feel, whoo, like, wow. And within all these days, I've been like praying a lot, and I just was like, wow, I don't want to get into it, but yeah, I just want to put that out there that she is cancer free, and I just feel so happy and relieved, and she's so happy, and she was crying, and she went to go celebrate. I didn't get to see her last night. I wanted to see her last night. We found out yesterday, but today I'm going to see her. I'm going to take her out for dinner and all of that. But I wanted to make sure I got all my work done because I had a lot due, and now like tonight I could fully spend like a lot of hours with her tonight, so I'm happy. But she went to Islands and ate and had an ice cream sundae to celebrate, so she's so cute. So I can't wait to see her tonight. But yeah, cancer free. Okay, so now onto Amazon favorites. First favorite is going to be this jewelry cleaner. Now, I don't know about you, but my rings and my earrings and all that, they get dirty, especially because of makeup. I always place like my makeup on while I wear my jewelry. It's just my thing. I don't know who really takes off all their jewelry and then puts it on. If you do, you are very diligent to do that, and that's actually probably the correct way so that you don't, you know, ruin your jewelry and stuff. But I discovered this jewelry cleaner off of Amazon. I was like, I need a new one. I had one from Target and I thought it worked good. And then I was like, okay, this one was Amazon Choice, I believe. It was like $8, and this one is for, you can do your pearls in here too. The other one, it didn't say pearls, so I never stuck my pearls in there. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Tahitian black pearl, so that's basically what sold me. Second, I put in my wedding ring and I took it out. I could not believe how sparkly it was. Wow, that other cleaner I got from Target sucked. I thought it was good. Probably like the best jewelry cleaner I've ever tried. Like, you know when you go and clean your ring like at a jewelry store and it comes out, you're like, man, I wish it looked like that. This literally makes your ring look like that. So during summertime, we had a whole issue with mosquitoes. Now, it just also depends like where you live and maybe if you have like bodies of water around you and all of that. But if you're someplace where you do have mosquitoes in your area, highly recommend this baby, because we were getting bitten up and we didn't want to like spray even like natural sprays. I don't know, it's kind of like tedious to have to wear that every night like in your own home, and it was so hot, and we just like leaving the doors open for fresh air. Now I got this candle and I was like, there must be something that will just completely just let the mosquitoes leave us alone, at least me, because they love to bite me. Just makes sense, but like SCENTS, and it's a Citronella mosquito buster candle. Now this baby worked wonders. This is our second one, and I will say I'm surprised we even got through the first one because it lasted so long. When I saw the reviews on this, lots of people were saying I love it, but I wish it came in a bigger size. And then the other gripe was, because this is the only size, the other gripe was they wish it lasted longer. But mine lasted so long, and this one lasted so long. Like, I have been burning this so many times. Like, this is probably 15 plus times. So I think that's pretty darn good in comparison to, I don't know, I mean, Bath & Body Works candles, to me, they just burn out so quick because they want that $20. It's not too strong of a scent as well, and it's also pet friendly because that's really big. We have our 2 Huskies and our miniature Schnauzer, so whatever we use in our household, we have to make sure that it's okay and compliant with them as well. If you guys are suffering mosquitoes or you have mosquitoes in your area, This came in clutch. Lots of people swear by apple cider vinegar. And I've heard there's so many benefits, which I know there are. And I've tried it even squeezing lemon in with my water. I cannot do it, you guys. It honestly makes me want to throw up. Just the scent of it to me smells disgusting. It's like really, really bad. And the taste, I can't handle it. And usually I'm pretty good. Like I'm not too like, oh, I can't. But this stuff, like my body just wants to reject. Like I honestly felt sick after having it just because of that residual taste. Man, I really want the benefits of apple cider vinegar. I decided just on my own, this is not sponsored, no nothing, which is so crazy that the company actually reached out to me like last week, but I don't think I'm going to do anything with them because I already have my own bottles. No shade to them. I love their product. But I found Goli. Now Goli is apple cider vinegar gummies. I was kind of sketch on this because I thought, can a gummy really give the benefits of the mother? And the mother is the one that really, you want the mother in apple cider vinegar. Now this one is gluten-free. It is vegan, non-GMO, organic, and unfiltered. This has the mother in it. And that's why I was like, whoa, because I was reading all the questions like, does this have the mother? You guys, I don't even know what the hell the mother is, but I just know you need the mother. Here's the benefit comparisons. Appetite control and weight loss, lowers blood sugar levels, improves immune system. Made with the mother, this one contains highly nutritious acetic acid infused with superfoods, which is pomegranate and beetroot. It's enriched with B9 and B12. It's safe for tooth enamel because that's another thing. Whenever you drink apple cider vinegar, since it's so acidic, it's not good for the enamel of your teeth. So people have to drink it through a straw. I've seen tons of people not drink it through a straw, which is just, I wouldn't risk it. This also has a good taste, which it does. It has a yummy smell and easy to take. All of those I highly like agree, like literally check. Because if you are someone where you have tried apple cider vinegar and it's just not your friend, yeah, this is for you. So this is what it looks like. And it doesn't have a weird smell. It doesn't make me gag. And the smell is not bad. And it tastes so good. So 2 gummies equals 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The mother is a beneficial probiotic. Now I know. Do your own research. I'm not telling you that this is gonna be the one and all. Do your own research on the brand. I'm just saying it's been working out for me. Let me know, have you guys ever heard of this? I love it. So I just recently took off all my lash extensions. I'm just wearing like a very natural lash. Will I be doing lash extensions anytime soon? No, because it's just very tedious and I got too frustrated these last 2 weeks. And honestly, just from me kind of being on edge with what was happening, I like ripped them off little by little and my lashes are all really short now. But when they were on, they looked bomb and I got so many compliments all the time. And you have to brush them out. So this thing really came in handy because the lash tech that gave me, she gave me a little disposable one and it was good, but it's just not, it's not hygienic because it's just like out in the open, like the cover, it was like a handmade like little cover. And it was very sweet for, you know, for her to give that to me. I used it for like the first couple of days. And then after that, I was like, okay, it looks like it's getting kind of grimy. Crumbs can get inside this hole. So let me get something that's not wasteful so I don't have the disposable ones and I have to continuously like throw away an applicator. Let's get something, I'm sure Amazon has it, and of course Amazon did. Just a little spoolie right here, but I like it because it has like the little glitter crystals and it also comes in a white one. I just can't find it right now, a white cap, but it comes in a two, it comes in a, I don't know, comes in a 2-pack. Thought it came in handy, especially like on my trips and stuff, because I was thinking when I went to Costa Rica, I'm not gonna have this little disposable one just hanging out with like all these like bugs and dirt on hikes and stuff, and in my backpack where I'm tossing in dirty clothes or socks and sweat rags and random things. So this just sealed and all that. I was like, okay, I don't think I'm gonna get an eye infection from this. So next up, I have this stand. Now I have mentioned this already on my channel, but it was like on a regular like beauty / miscellaneous favorites video, not an Amazon favorites. And this thing is so handy. So I got this because I was using my phone a lot for recipes and I balanced my phone. It kept falling and falling and falling. I'm like, okay, that's annoying, and 2, it's not good for the phone. So I wanted to research a phone stand. This popped up. It comes in like black, chrome, I believe white and pink. I forgot all the shades though, charcoal, and it just sits there all pretty. So easy in the kitchen. This moves up and down. Say if you have like a weird reflection or you're at a weird angle and you want to see it, it is awesome. You can also put a tablet on here. Also say like on your lunch break or whatever and you just want to watch some YouTube and say you're just eating your lunch, boom, you have a stand. You don't have to balance it on anything. You can see it upright and it's super convenient. I love it, especially in the kitchen, or say like I am cooking and I just want to have YouTube play in the back. I just have this stand and it is bomb. All right guys, well that is it for my current Amazon favorites. Like I said, I'll link all my previous Amazon videos down below because I still love everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for all the love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Click that bell and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Mwah. Woo-hoo.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe.